In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to launch Photos app and then decide if you want to delete them from photos or collections. Whatever you decided, it works the same. The only differences in collections, bin button will be at the top right corner and in photos at the bottom. Either way, hold any photo. Use those dots at the top right corners to pick multiple at once and then click on the ones you wanna keep. To get rid of the rest, use the delete button and confirm your choice in all pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!